name is K. Charan. I am studying 9th standard from ZPHS Rayola. My team name is Mount Nilagiri. My project name is Train Navigatir. Now explain my friend the components of this project.
Hi everyone, my name is Ram. I am studying 9th class. My school name is ZPHS School Rayola. My project name is Eco Navigator. Use components: buzzer, jumper cables, Arduino board, battery, and ultrasonic sensor. Stick. Now I explain project my friend.
My name is Anusha. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS Ravala. My project name is Train Navigator. In ultrasonic sensor, 25 and 30 centimeters in front of any object, the buzzer will sound. Like this. Like this. Train Navigator is a crucial tool for individuals and visual impairments. It helps they navigate their surroundings obstacle by detecting enhance providing and safety device enhance independence and safety for those who blind and visually impaired. Thank you.